How to connect, pair. Take out both earbuds from the charging case. Switch on the Bluetooth on your phone. Search for CB Pebble, then connect. You will hear voice prompt as connected. Reset. Delete Forget CB Pebble Bluetooth profile from your phone. Turn off your phone Bluetooth. Turn off both earbuds by long pressing the multifunction button until red light flashes. Once again, press and hold the MFB for 15 seconds until it again turns off. Now place the earbuds in charging case. After 10 seconds, remove both earbuds from the charging case. Both earbuds will now automatically connect to each other. You will see red and blue light flashing on any one of the earbuds. Switch on the Bluetooth on your phone. Search CB Pebble on your phone and connect.